Unraveling Check the Alignment, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're going to unravel a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first but is used quite frequently in everyday English: check the alignment. Stick around as we break it down, explore its meanings, and see how it's used in different contexts. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a yogi, or just love to keep everything in perfect order, this phrase has something for everyone. First off, let's tackle the literal meaning of check the alignment. This phrase is often used in mechanical and engineering contexts. For example, when you take your car to a mechanic because it's pulling to one side, they might tell you they need to check the alignment of your wheels. This means they will ensure the wheels are set correctly, parallel to each other and perpendicular to the ground, ensuring the car drives straight and wears tires evenly. Moving beyond the literal, check the alignment can also be used in a more figurative sense. In business, for instance, a team leader might use this phrase to ensure that everyone's work or goals are aligned with the overall project or company objectives. It's about making sure all efforts are moving in the same direction for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Interestingly, this phrase has found its way into personal development and spirituality. Here, check the alignment could refer to ensuring one's actions, goals, and beliefs are in harmony. For example, a yoga instructor might use it to remind students to align their body, mind, and spirit for holistic well-being. It's all about finding balance and ensuring every part of your being is working together towards a common purpose. Now, let's see how this phrase pops up in everyday conversation. You might hear someone say, "We need to check the alignment on our project goals," indicating a need for reassessment and adjustment. Or perhaps, "I'm taking a day off to check the alignment of my personal goals," suggesting a time of reflection and realignment with one's values and objectives. We hope this deep dive into the phrase, check the alignment, has shed light on its versatile usage and meanings. Whether it's ensuring your car drives smoothly, aligning team efforts at work, or seeking personal balance, this phrase encapsulates the idea of making adjustments to achieve harmony and efficiency. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and concepts they represent. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.